Video you are seeing here is one of the best video you can ever use to settle your debt, your bills, and recover any debt you are owing in as much as forex trading is concerned. Look at this place, look at what you see here. It's a very good one for you to start cashing out and start paying all your debts as long you want to succeed in this field of forex. I've made personal research and I've been putting everything together, and I'm asking myself, how can I help those who have been struggling to clear their debt, those who have lost so much in this field? How can I give them something they can use? At least anyone can help. Anyone can use it, and it will be of a great help to them. Then I come up with this very strategy. With this, you can settle your debt, and this one is for scalping, and it can also be used for catching spikes, but I'll be talking more on you making use of this to do what is called scalping, which is you taking the pills, and you can manage this thing to take at least nothing less than 10 to 20 candles in your 1 minute time frame. Then if you want to hold for a long time, you can use the same thing and take at least 20 to 50 depending on how you followed this video to understand it. That is one thing I want you to learn today, and you're going to use this strategy to clear at least 2, 3, 4 debts that you are owing. Then if you're not owing anybody and you still just want to make money on forex, then take note of this very movement, and it will help you to sort out something, because real cash will be dropping on this very strategy. I want this video to be very, very short and simple as I can, but please, I want you to pay attention. All I demand from you is just to give this video a thumbs up and make sure that you like and subscribe our videos, because that is the only strength we have that will help us to be creating more videos. Remember, GDFX has never charged anybody for strategy or anything at all. My duty here is to make sure that I will teach you and make sure you will learn and watch our videos and put them into practice and start making real cash. To all my students all around the world, GDFX is saying you are doing well. And for some of you that have paid for one reason or the other, you have not been able to start cashing out, take it easy and make sure you follow instructions. One day you will start cashing out. Remember, there is nobody who has ever paid me that I've not paid attention to. If I've not paid attention to, it's either you are not active or that something happened. Maybe I lost your contact, but just chat me up on our Telegram and privately, and make sure you tell me where we stop. I'll be able to carry along with you. Remember that GDFS, I don't easily give up on my students. In as much as you paid me, I must guide you through. And I have people who I have proof that people that know nothing about forex that are doing well today. That is my pride. That is why I still draw videos here every now and then, and I make sure that new people are treated kindly and they will enjoy the benefits of paying for mentorship. Let's dive into this video and let me show you 1 or 2 things that can help you to start making out real cash in this very video. The best thing I want you to learn here is this. Number 1 is that this video, you must use it on 1 minute time frame, not in 5 minutes, 10, 20, 15, 30, 1 hour or 4 hours time frame. No, don't even go there. Your duty is to make use of this thing only in 1 hour time frame. Once you see these things I'm about to show you now, you start making money on this very strategy. Number 1, let me start giving you the indicators immediately and right now. The indicator we'll have on the first one, which is the main chart, is moving average, and we'll have our parameters, and that parameters there, number 1 is period 8. That period 8 is this very yellow line you're seeing here. This very one, please take note of that. This very yellow line you're seeing here, this one, that is the parameter you have, which is the one I'm talking about. So everything you see here represents this line here. All right, so the first thing we have here is period 8 and method, which is this, a method which is exponential. Please, I want you to put it exponential, where I know we have simple, smoothed and linear weighted and all the rest of them, but we'll go to exponential so that you will see it more clearer and understand the curve and as it is moving. Then the shift is 0. Please take note of that. Apply this thing to close, in as much as we have open, high, low, median price and typical price and weighted close, HLCC. Though we have all those things, but please close it so that you will see what it is doing in a close range. All right, so you have to close it. Then the next one we'll have here, which is the white line, which is this one here, is parameters is period 17 and exponential. Period, a method exponential apply to close. Use any color of your choice as long as you know how you can see it. I'm not making choice for you on that area. Please apply it. Then the one we'll have, which is the one we'll have below here, I'm going to be showing you. We have MACD here. Follow this thing squarely. Please, I want you to install those things because I'm giving this thing out so that some are saying GDFX, you don't normally give out your indicator. Sorry about that. I don't know that I don't give out those things, and I'm not doing it just to make you watch videos and from there maybe I'm not fooling anybody at all. So please take note of this thing. So I've decided to give it out now so that I will not forget it. All right, so look at what we have here. The parameters here, which is what we have here. The fast EMA is 31. Please take note of this thing for those who may not see it clearly. The fast EMA is 31. The fast, which is the MACD SMA, is 9. Please take note of that. Slow EMA is 26. Please take note of this thing. This is the main thing that we'll have here. Then for some of you that may find it difficult to set up this thing like this, please bear this in mind that the right way to do it is very, very simple. Then change this main to your background color. If you are using black, you change this main, this one here, follow this one here, follow this one to this one, put it your background color. Then the signal, make it your background color. All right, make it your background color. Then that is how to get the first settings that will change the histogram in this very MACD. For some of you that sometimes when you put it, you will still have this line attached to it, this histogram line that will come up like this, something like this that will come up like this, you know, that may not allow you to see this thing clearly. Please make sure you make this thing your background color. That is how to achieve it. So remember that the first line, the first thing to do is just to put it this way and set up this thing like this. That is what you have here. Then the second one, which is one, now we are moving on now. Look at this one now. Then put it that way. You will have this first white line here. Are you there? All right. Now this one too, you will see that what you have here now is fast EMA 12. Remember that the first one was 13. Let me just show you this first one now. Look at this one. This first one, this one now is 13. Check the color. Check the color here. Check the color. All right. This one now is 12. This one is 9. And this one is 26. Please follow this thing as it's supposed to be so that you will not be making mistake when you are installing it, so that you will not be having challenges when you are putting those things. Look at it. I'm writing it out. This is what you have here. Are you seeing it? All right. So put it this way. Then this man now, put this thing to none. Though on your phone you may not see none, but just put it to your background color. It will help you to get it accurately. Are you there now? Now that is what you will have there. All right. Now this yellow line you are seeing here now, this yellow line, this one. Come on, let me just show you this thing. This yellow line you are seeing is moving average. This yellow line is moving average. Look at it. It's moving average. The period is 1. Exponential. Apply to close. Use any color of your choice. This one now we're using it to check the trend of the market, so that once it gets to the place of which you are hoping to enter, then it will give you what you want, then you close it. All right, what is the way to enter this market and how do you make money using this very strategy? Number one is this. Once you first thing first is that you allow your trend to move to a particular direction for a period of time, like what you have here now. Then once you see it, by that time you'll be seeing some kind of movement in this, but it's not that clear. You'll be seeing some things like this. It's not that clear. You'll be seeing spy coming, spy going. At that point, relax. Don't be in a hurry, but make sure you do it on your 1 minute time frame. For some of you that want to see opportunity to take like 5 candles, 3 candles, 20 candles successfully without a spike meeting them, this is the best way for you to do it. Then at that point, at that very time, this thing is what goes on here. Look at it from here now. You will notice that this very line has been from this place. It has never come in contact with this one. But right here, it crossed here. It's just a technical something you need to pay attention. This line has been below like this. But at this very time, this one now came over to this place and there was a cross here. Once you see this cross, start getting ready. Because at that point, it's showing you that the strength of this thing, if we are using relative strength index, it will show you a sign of overbought, that something is about to go up now. Now, pay attention to this thing because this is where you'll be missing it. And when you miss out now, you think that someone has deceived you or someone has made you watch video without getting anything from it. I don't have that personal interest. I'm dropping video here because I know that it is helping life. As for some of you, mostly African brothers that think that when you watch our videos have made me rich or something, please make research about me. You know that my personal interest is not from YouTube views or YouTube payments. Pay attention to these things. I want you to understand this. One of my aim of dropping videos here is to make sure that some of our brothers and sisters who are trading, that believe that Forex is just all about deposit money on derivative, common line, and place trade. I tried it several years ago, and I know what it took me. That I almost ran mad. So when God helped me to realize and I paid the price to become who I am today, there is no need for me to watch some of our brothers and sisters to wallow away and start. Some of them are broke right now as I'm talking to you. So instead of me to be keeping silent, making my money all along, or something of that nature, so I need to come up and help them. You can use whatever you know that can help someone to watch videos on YouTube. Use it and check analysis and see that if what makes me who I am is YouTube payment, you know that by now I'll be seriously broke. So don't come up my page and my chart or whatever and start telling me that you made me rich or something. No, don't go there. And make research. Find out some of my students. You find out that what I collect from them cannot make someone rich. For some of you that think that the mentorship is the one that made me rich, go and find out. Make personal research. You can come up to some of our free Telegram group, ask questions there, and you find out how much they paid me. If they can be sincere to you, find out that that is not what makes me rich. That what we are doing here is a service to humanity, and in returns, it has to be a blessing to us. All right. So now follow these things and help yourself, and stop coming with the mindset that cannot help you grow in life. So that is just all I want to drop here right now in that field. All right. So now with this you will find out that this thing has been moving from this angle to this point. So once there is, for whatever reason, there is a cross, this yellow cross this line from anywhere, not the white one. The white one is good, but the white one is not a strong one. So for whatever reason, there is a cross. So that cross I'm talking about is that this line you are seeing here, this line, this MACD line you are seeing here, moved from anywhere and this yellow line crossed it like this. When that happened, please, this thing you are seeing here, I can show you has a proof that 10 candles and 20 candles is possible. Look at it here. For some of you that will think that this, because when you are waiting for this cross here, this cross you are seeing here, this market may be somewhere here. I want you to understand how this thing works. So before this thing will not cross, you have this market here. But when this thing is crossing, as it is crossing, as this thing is moving, you'll be seeing the sign here that something is coming to meet somewhere here. Come on, I want you to pay attention to this. So as this thing is coming to this direction, this thing has crossed here and start moving. So your first entry should be here, and by so doing, you are sure that this thing has started coming up. Then from there, if this thing is approaching here, please close some of your positions in case you are using first, I don't know your account, I don't know your equity. Please close here at first. Then allow some to run through. Then where should one be expecting to close? Anytime this yellow line, as it has crossed here and come here as a final touch, anytime it's coming closer to this place again, then close it. I will show you proof. Close it. Most times, don't even allow you to touch this place. As it is approaching to cross, please close it. Are you seeing the entry and the close? Are you seeing the entry? Let me show you what I mean. From here, as this thing is moving, this thing will be pushing backward. It's a sign. Then when this thing cross over, once this spike pushed over to this place and start returning to touch here, you have an opportunity. This line moving across this place, this here line you are seeing here moving to cross over to this place, is a sign of weakness in the side of buying. So it's a sign of weakness in the side of buying. Then from there, this thing is coming here. Then why do you use this one? Once you know that each time this market cross over to this place is giving you a sign that there is a strength in selling market, in selling position like what you have here. So with that, you have opportunity. Even if that will be spike, it will not be that strong spike because you have opportunity. It's the loss of momentum in the buying position. Then sellers will take over. That is one thing I want you to learn. As simple as that. Let me just backtest to show you my claim and my proof. Let me show you from here now. Let me show you of all that happened in this place. As this one crossed here, what happened? Look at it here. Till touch here. Are you seeing it? Even when it touch here, it moved through. But I don't want you to start taking risk of this thing. Just from here to here, take the advantage of it, and you are out of the market. Come on, just prove me wrong. Are you seeing it? Let me go again and show you some of the things that you need to see. Now, look at it once again. That one I'm showing you is for 5 candles. Just check it from here. Just check it from here. You have something here. I mean, if you can manage to see this thing, you have greater opportunity, greater chance to make more money. But why I will not encourage you to move like this is that I don't know your equity. Then, when should I wait to take 15 candles, 20, 30, 80 candles? Once this thing crossed here, and you have seen that this white line shifted and this one spreading out, all this space you are seeing here is an opportunity. And know that as long as this one is coming, is approaching this place, know that spike is coming. This is just a spike detector and it's going to help you. I don't know. So if you are a forex trader and you are struggling and you have this thing right now and you find it difficult to start making money, I wonder what else will help you. Just look at what I showed you here. Sometimes you need to be very, very careful because right here now, as this thing crossed here, this is not what I showed you. What crossed here now is this white. And what you are looking for is red, is the yellow one. So once you are seeing this thing, don't be deceived. Please listen to this video and pay attention. For some of you that will always rush and skip the video to the end and you start doing whatever you like, when you start losing your money, remember not to blame GDFX, because my intention and my heart desire is to help you. Just look at what I showed you. Even in the midst of spike, you can still take advantage of the market. I don't know why you can lose any money with this thing. Look at it. I don't know how possible it is. You must take, count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You are out of the market. As simple as that. Anybody can do this thing. But can I tell you one truth? With this method now, you can make money, save some money, build your account. But once you start raising some fund to become a profitable trader, please get the right knowledge that will help you. Because with this one now, what you'll be doing is you'll be doing rush in and rush out. And anytime you place your trade, your heart will be panicking. Some people will be suffering from high blood pressure and hypertension, please, which is not good. So I encourage every forex trader to get the right knowledge. See, it doesn't matter. Some people tell you there is no need for you to pay and learn. They are listening to those people that say you should not pay. They will still give you an opportunity that will make you to give them something that you will no longer pay aside. Then you will channel your attention to them. Then you will still find a means to collect from you. That is one thing you don't know about Forex. This is financial institution. There is nothing that gives you money without taking money from you. My name is GDFX. All I beg you is to subscribe to our channel. And if up till now, you cannot boast of anyone who is your mentor, until now, as I'm talking to you, you have deposited $100 before, and that $100 later becomes something like this. I wonder what you're doing. To talk more of someone that have raised 200 like this to 500, and right now, as I'm talking, all of them is showing red. Come on, talk more of those that have 1,000, and now it is minus 1,000 without withdrawing at least something huge. That thing is a signal that you need to go further in knowledge, and don't ever think you know it all, because even the wisest men still make research. It is only in the forest that you see people that want to rely on their old knowledge, but they want to make new move. Even the forest itself, even the derive and the MT5, they are updating. So why not update your brain to make sure you will fit in to what is going on? I have a man of 70 years who paid mentorship, and I'm just laughing. Why? Because even at his age, a very renowned, respected man in the society, when he contacted me, I was just laughing. So I asked him, sir, what do you want? What do you really want? He called me, sir. I said, no, sir. You are 10 times older than me, so there is no else. He said, no, I may be your father, but in this field of forest, you are my father. So anywhere this man is, I respect him, and each time I'm talking to him, I know that it is not going to be easy for him to learn at that point. So, but I'm guiding him, and when he made profit, he said, I have made profit, but when he's not, he said, I don't know what is going on, help me. I will still talk to him and guide him. So if a 70 years old man is pushing for more knowledge, I'm talking about a very prominent man in his field, but he need knowledge. How much more than young guys with fresh blood that can take over the nations with the crypto and forex experience? Teach the young ones how to do it. And lastly, please, I want to beg you, if you must go find this field of forex, stop thinking on how you can defraud people. Stop thinking on how to learn so that you start very fast to create videos to scam people. It is one of the dangerous things that can happen to you. Stop doing it. If you think that way and you are learning forex, you may not go far, because what people are using to pay is their hard-earned money, is their blood. So you cannot fool them forever. Some of them do pray before they pay. Some of them go through a lot before they raise that fund. So if you know you don't know anything about forex, stop convincing people to come to you. Then when you know you don't have anything to offer to them, just to make money. What are we making the money for? Build house, buy cars, marry, travel around the world. One day we'll go down to 6 feet. That is one thing about life. So there is no need for us to be acquiring wealth that we cannot enjoy till our old age. When people are bleeding, when people are crying, when people that believe that through this they will be a successful person, then we use our smartness to take it away from them. At that point, even God himself will be angry at us. Learn forex in the right way. And when you are learning, stop being greedy. Learn and practice, then invest on it, then it will pay you back at the right time. This mentality of using $5 to become a millionaire is good, but it will take time. So that is one thing I have to tell you. Watch this video to the end and make sure that you give our video a thumbs up and share this video. If you need mentorship and you trust GDFX, please, I urge you to contact me privately. Never make payment to anybody without hearing my voice. Make sure you would demand to hear my voice to be sure that it is this voice you are hearing, and it's going to be an easy one for you. Thank you and God bless you. See you on top. GDFX, I love you. Keep winning.